Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to video number 2 in the kitchen demo series, I guess, because there's going to be multiple videos because I've got, as I mentioned in the first video, I've got lots of content, lots of footage of the kitchen being pulled out. So if you haven't seen the first video, stop watching this one and go and watch the first one so you can catch up where we are. So this morning my sister and I pulled down the rest of the tiles, and I'll pop that footage in here. Got some extra helpers with the kitchen today, so we're just taking off the last of the tiles and going to reline. Go downwards. Okay, yeah, work your way downwards.
Down here. Good job.
Give him the big end. But just keep going down that line.
Good job.
I would expertise in smashing things with a hammer.
We know.
There.
Yeah, stay away from that. That's it. That's it. Alright, hang on. I think we'll rip that piece down.
Oh.
Well, careful.
Watch yourself, P.
Woo! Vacuum!
This is exactly. I think this is exactly what she needed after moving house all week.
Let's get the waste stitch out of the way. So is it when? Got it? Well done, babe.
So when we pulled off this piece, we found out where their old fireplace was. So you can see that's one side of it. So that's where that would have been one side of the fireplace. This is the back of the fireplace, and they've smashed off the other side so they could put the wall in. So the things some people do. But I know the lovely characters behind the walls. It's now going to be behind my new pantry. So now, since that's all done, I've cleaned up all of the lining and tiles that we pulled off, and I put them into these boxes just so they're easy. I've got a skip bin on order, but it's not going to be here until Wednesday. So I've ordered that, and I just needed somewhere to put the rubbish, the building materials for now, to get them out of my way. So what I'm going to do now is going to clean up the floors a bit. I'm going to vacuum and get up as much dust as I can. I know it might seem counterintuitive because I'm going to be creating more dust very soon when I'm relining the walls, but I just want to get up as much dust as I can and try and clean the boards that were under the return, and see how well I can get them to come up, because they're now not going to be under a return anymore. They're going to be actually shown in the kitchen. So I just want to see how well I can get them to come up, to see what work I need to do to get them up to the same level as the rest of the floor. So I'm going to do that. Then we're going to move on to replacing the rotting floorboards that were underneath the cabinets. I'm just going to be replacing those with some normal flooring because they're not going to be seen, but I just want to know in my brain that it's been done properly and that no creepy crawlies from outside can get in from under the house. So I'll put you on time lapse and you can watch me work through that. That you can see this area that you can see now, this is where the island is going to go. But the rest of it, I'll zoom out and show you. The rest of it to here, to the wall. So, whereabouts? So that whole bit that you can see now, that is actually going to be shown in the kitchen. So that's going to be in the middle of my kitchen. So these are the boards that I'm having to clean up just so I can see whether it's just these two boards here that I actually need to sand and stain. So that's what we're doing. As I've said previously, I think the last owners were obsessed with liquid nails because it's everywhere, including here on the floor. So I'm going to have to scrape that up. So as you can see, it is a different colour. Oh, actually, I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm sure you can see the three different colours. This one's light, this is untreated, unstained, and then it's darker next to it. So unfortunately, I think I am going to have to sand back these darker boards. I sort of originally was thinking maybe it was just because it's sun bleached over on the other side, but it's actually not. It's the rest of the floor is lighter than it too. So I think that the original floors were just a little bit darker than what they are now, so that they've sanded them, had them sanded and restained lighter. So I'm just going to have to try and match the stain as best I can, just to try and make it, I want to make it look good. I don't want to make it look like a mismatched house. So, yeah, at least I know they're clean now. So I was trying to work out, thinking about how I could get the right cuts when I'm doing the boards. And then I remembered I had this cardboard that I got with my new dining table that got delivered. So I thought I'd just lay this down, I'll do the cuts and push it in, and I'll get everything perfect, and I'll use it as a template on the bit of timber to put in the new section of floor. So hopefully it works. Should be glistening. It's a bit warm here today, and I took that template that you just watched me make. I took that up the back to Pop, and while he was cutting it, I quickly mowed the lawn. So multitasking, quickly mowed the lawn, hence why I'm a little bit glistening and sweaty. I did forget to turn the camera on. We did the first rough fit of it. It was just off by like 20 mil, so he's just gone back to cut another 20 mil off, and while he's doing that, I've just taken down the blind from the window. So I'm just trying to get all the little things done while the big things are getting done elsewhere. So I'll catch you back up in a minute when he comes back with the board. A whole nother scary situation. Camera. This one's very difficult. So that's the hardest one to get out. Sorry, my camera battery died and I didn't realise, but you can probably see under the cement sheeting here that we fixed the floor and I'm now extremely dirty, but I'm just starting to cut the sheet. And I thought I should probably change the battery and film this for you guys so you can watch. Okay, back to it. I just paused to have a bit of a break because I was hungry. So I'm just going to measure this last sheet up to go on this side, or the last sheet for this side anyway, and then I'll tape and fill this bit, and then before I move on to the other wall so that I can come back. You can see where the ducting is coming out there for the range hood. So just got to do the measurements for that and the measurements for the cable for the range hood. Drill those holes, get that done, and then I can put it up. I'm going to have a little rest for a minute. So walls are all relined. Now we just await the delivery of the kitchen. The kitchen has arrived. Some of it's in here, the rest is all out on the back deck, so it's very full out there. The rest is all out on the back deck, waiting for install tomorrow. Today's the day. The kitchen guys are going to be here in about 15 minutes to start installing the kitchen. I'm so excited, so I will film as much as I can, but obviously if they don't want me filming them, then I can't. So, but I will, if I can't film during the day, I will show you how far they got at the end of day one.
Or black handles and black sink, but it's always the Tuscan in the Alpine Mist.
I'm just tuck that cable under that foot. You ready? Oh. Enough lead on it to do that or not, obviously.
All happening. Islands in. So the kitchen's almost done. It's all been fitted. Looks amazing. So just got to wait for tomorrow for the electrician and the plumber to come and finish it off. And then, well, connect the electric and the plumbing. And then we have some tiling to do and some painting up the top. So fun times ahead, but I love it. It's amazing. So I thought I'd give you a quick update on the kitchen. All the appliances are in. Milo's living his best life on the bench. Got the upper cupboards for my plant babies to chill. And then we've got the pantry and fridge over this side. And then we have the island with all the big drawers. Just waiting for the bin door and a couple of knobs to arrive, and then it will all be all done, and then I just have to finish the tilings and then it will be all done. Hope you enjoyed the video. I will share with you when we do the tiling, once I start doing the tiling and the kitchen window gets installed. But for now, that's it for the kitchen renovation vlogs. So if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos from me, hit the subscribe button and scroll up and hit the little bell notification, and you'll be notified next time I post. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. So, kitchen's almost done. Toto, stop. Stop.